Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of dates, a small fruit with an abundance of health benefits. In this episode, we're unraveling the secrets of this sweet and nutritious delight. From boosting energy levels to promoting digestion, supporting heart health, and even aiding in weight management, dates are a treasure trove of wellness. Get ready to discover the incredible health benefits that make dates a must-have in your healthy pantry. Let's embark on this journey of enlightenment and embrace the goodness of dates for a healthier, happier you. Firstly, dates are often praised for their ability to provide a natural and quick energy boost due to their unique nutritional composition. They are naturally rich in sugars, mainly glucose, fructose, and sucrose. These sugars are carbohydrates that the body can readily convert into energy. Glucose is particularly fast-acting and provides an almost immediate energy boost. In addition to simple sugars, dates contain complex carbohydrates, including dietary fiber. Complex carbs provide a sustained release of energy, offering a steady and longer-lasting source of vitality. Due to their energy-boosting properties, dates are often consumed as a pre-workout snack by athletes and active individuals. They can provide a quick source of energy to fuel a workout or physical activity. Additionally, dates are rich in antioxidants, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Let's talk about heart health. Dates are low in sodium and high in potassium, which is a heart-healthy combination. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and counterbalances the effects of sodium, ultimately supporting heart function and reducing the risk of hypertension. Dates are a good source of dietary fiber, including soluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps lower LDL cholesterol by binding to cholesterol molecules and aiding in their elimination from the body. By managing cholesterol levels, dates contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Dates contain magnesium and calcium, essential minerals that are important for heart health. Magnesium helps maintain a regular heartbeat and supports muscle and nerve function, while calcium is crucial for heart muscle contraction. Studies suggest that consuming dates may help lower triglyceride levels in the blood. Elevated triglycerides are associated with an increased risk of heart disease, so this reduction is beneficial for heart health. What's more, dates are an excellent source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, promoting regular bowel movements, and preventing constipation. The insoluble fiber in dates adds bulk to the stool and helps move it through the digestive tract more efficiently. This can provide relief from constipation and promote overall gastrointestinal health. Dietary fiber in dates serves as a prebiotic nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is vital for optimal digestion, absorption of nutrients, and a strong immune system. Dates have been used traditionally to alleviate diarrhea. The soluble fiber in dates absorbs water and adds bulk to loose stools, helping to normalize bowel movements. Studies suggest that dates may have a protective effect on the gastrointestinal tract, promoting a healthy stomach and reducing the risk of gastric ulcers. Consuming dates after a meal can aid digestion. They contain enzymes like amylase, which helps break down carbohydrates, facilitating better digestion and nutrient absorption. Moreover, despite their natural sugar content, dates have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower rise in blood sugar levels compared to high GI foods. This can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes when consumed in moderation. But wait, there is more. Dates are a good source of essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. These minerals are vital for maintaining bone health, bone density, and overall bone strength. Consuming dates regularly, along with a balanced diet rich in bone-healthy nutrients, can contribute to preventing osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weakened and brittle bones. Dates are a natural source of boron, a trace mineral linked to bone health. Boron is believed to aid in the absorption of calcium and magnesium, which are critical for bone health. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know dates serve as a fantastic natural sweetener alternative to processed sugars and syrups? Dates are naturally sweet due to their sugar content, primarily fructose and glucose. These natural sugars provide a sweet taste without the need for added sugars. Dates can be easily blended into a paste or soaked to soften, making them a versatile sweetener for a wide range of recipes, including smoothies, baked goods, sauces, dressings, and desserts. They offer a rich, complex flavor that can enhance the taste of various dishes. They add depth and character to recipes, making them a favorite choice for natural sweetening in culinary creations. There you have it, folks. The extraordinary journey into the incredible health benefits of dates. They have truly proven to be a nutritional powerhouse in the world of natural foods. So the next time you reach for a snack or sweetener, consider choosing dates, nature's gift that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also nourishes your body. See you tomorrow for more enlightening insights on The Healthy Pantry. Thank you for joining us here at The Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.